So if we buy something on sale for $120, but we get 20% off, how much are we saving? And then what's our final price? That's what we're going to figure out. So first thing, let's change the percent to a decimal. And all we have to do is divide the percent by 100. So 20 divided by 100, that gives us our decimal, which is 0.2. So we're going to take 0.2, our decimal, and multiply by the original number. That's the 120. And 0.2 times 120 gives us 24. So that number 24, that's $24, and that's how much off we get when we take 20% off $120. If you want to know the final price, you take the original, the 120, subtract how much off you got or how much money you saved, which is $24, and it turns out that you pay $96 out of your pocket for this $120 item because you got 20% off. You saved $24. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.